Welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn another productive hacks in Microsoft Excel. So that function will help us, that function will make us super productive. That function will help to reduce our working time. A lot of working time it will reduce, so we can deliver a lot of work in less time. Okay, so the function name is index and match. So for this particular video I will use one function, that is index match. There are two functions actually, so we will collaborate it and we will use it, and we will see how we can save our lot of time and we can deliver a good result. Suppose I have or suppose we have a lot of data, a large data we have, and now we want to find out something, we want to get something. So we will see how this index match to function help us to make so that we can create our productivity, so that we can become more productive person in our workplace. Okay, so here I have taken only I have taken a small data set. I have for a dummy data set anyways I have taken this. So for example purpose I will use it. So here I have only 3 columns, like so for this particular video I will use this small data set. Actually it's a dummy data set I have created. So here the salary section is there. One column is salary, another one is designation, and another one is employee code. So what I will do is, suppose I want to know, suppose in any employee's salary or any employee's designation I want to know. Okay, so what I will do is, now here I have written only 2 columns. Only one is employee name and another one is salary. I want to get it. So there are several ways you can follow so that you can get the result. Like you can filter it, and then you can search it, like control F, and then you can search it. But if you have a large data set, a big data set if you have, so that thing will not work. That thing will work, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so that is not the efficient way to do all those things. So in this case what we can do is, we can use index match function. So how it works I will show you. So here I need, suppose any employee's name here, and I need their salary. I want to know it here. Okay, so what I will do is, I will write equal. Why it is equal? Because I am going to give a function to Excel. So that's it. That is what that is why I am starting with the equal sign. Whenever I will provide the equal sign, that means I am going to give a function to Excel. So here it is, index. Now I will the open parenthesis, or I will tab, and I will press tab. So when I will do that, it is asking there. See here 3 arguments are there. Like after index 3 arguments are there. Argument number 1 is I need to provide the array. Then the argument number 2 is row number I need to provide, and then the third argument is, it is optional, that is column number. So 3 arguments are there. So here what I will do is, I will provide the array. Array means I will provide the entire table. Okay, so I will provide the entire details. I will select it. Okay, I have selected it. Now I will press comma. Okay, now here it is asking row number. So instead of row number, what I will do is, I will provide the match function. Then again I will press tab. So the open parenthesis will open. Now it is asking here also 3 arguments are there. 2 is mandatory, 1 is optional. The first argument is lookup value, what I am looking up, and then the lookup array, the things that I am looking up, where it is, which section it is, and then the match type, whether it is exact match or the suppose there some number is there, so the greater than or less than value I am looking for, so that thing I need to mention. So for this particular example, so lookup value, what I want to know Ratan Shaha's salary. Okay, so my lookup value is Ratan Shah. So anyway, this section will be dynamic. If I replace any other name, so it will work. Okay, then comma, then it is asking lookup array. So I am looking for Ratan Shah. So where Ratan Shah is, so Ratan Shah is this this column, right? So I will select this column. Here Ratan Shah is. Okay, now what I will do is, I will press comma. Now it is asking the match now it is asking the match type. Match type means I need the exact match, I need the greater than, or I need the less than. Suppose some number we are finding, in that case greater than, less than is okay. But for this particular video, for this particular example, what I want, exact match. So what I will do is I will write 0. Okay, now I will close the parenthesis. Okay, now see, whenever I have closed it, I will press comma. Comma means, because the index, that function I did not complete. Index 1 argument I have given, it is the second argument. Now the third argument I need to fulfill, that is column number. So suppose, where is my result? Suppose I need the salary section, right? So where that salary is, where the salary is existing. Okay, so what I will do is I need to provide the column number. So from here it will be 1, 2, like column A means number 1, column B means number 2, column C means number 3, like this way. So where is my result? My result is in salary section, right? So here the column number is 1, 1, 2, 3. So here what I will do is I will provide 1, because my result is in that section only. Now I will close the parenthesis and now I will press enter. So here it is, here the result is for Ratan Shah, the salary is 1 lakh. So see, the Ratan Shah, the salary is 1 lakh rupees. So it is, as I told earlier, that it is a dynamic field, so I can replace anyone's name. So I would say Araf Mehta, Aram Mehta. See, here I will replace the name, the same name I will replace the exact match I choose. I chosen, right? So what the Aram Mehta. So here it is 50,000. Again I will replace someone's name, Kavya Iyer. Then the salary will be changed based on that, based on the result, 1,60,000. So here what you can do is, for more specific, what you can do is you can create a data validation part. Here you can create a drop down and you will select it and automatically the salary will come. That is also there. So in a different video I will show you how you can create a drop down, how you can use data validation. That is a different video I will share with you. So as of now I think you have understood, you have got the idea. You just use it, create your own table, create your own data, create a small set of reports or data, and then you use this is super powerful tool, one of the super powerful function, index match. Now what you can do is, now you will say but suppose what we can do is, now we could use a Vlookup, right? So why we are using index match? It's a little tricky, and we could use Vlookup, right? We could use Vlookup, but the thing is, let me tell you one thing, Vlookup will not give you the result from the left section. Suppose Vlookup always deliver the result from the right side. Suppose your result is in the right side, so that time you can use Vlookup. Okay, but if your result is in the left side, so Vlookup will not deliver the result. So let me show you how. Suppose here I will, again the same thing, Ratan Shah, I will take the same. Now suppose I will use Vlookup. Now it is asking lookup value. Now it is asking table array, so I will provide the table. In a different video I have explained how to use Vlookup and all these things, so you can watch that video. So here so lookup value, then the table array where the value is, and then the column index. Suppose where my result is, suppose you can give 1, or if you suppose number 1 column my result is, so I will give 1. And now it is asking exact match or approximate match. So in my case I will use, of course, exact match. Tab, I will close it, press enter. See, now the error is coming. Now the error is coming because it will not deliver the result from the left side, it will deliver the result from the outside, from the right side only. So that's why we need to use index match. Index match also use for it will deliver the result from right side as well as left side. So you can use index match and anywhere you will get the data. There is no direction like left side or right side like that way. But for VLOOKUP, if your result in is the right side, then only you use VLOOKUP. If it is in left side, it will not deliver the result. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I think it's a super powerful function. You can use it for making your reports and increase your productivity and reduce your working time. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, thanks.